Thank you so much. Tansi Kacuru Sipajaro. Lapen India Constitution of Hansil itu Pikroiro. So India Constitution of Teng Pensipini Labang. So example itu ditolong lo. Lapen I believe in 6th schedule. I respect 6th schedule. 6th schedule around Teng Pensil itu Piniyani. Elected MP da Manlong lo. Elected MLA by itu Manlong lo. So the main topic that we are discussing is BGR. That is my point to this end is to conduct BGR eviction. I have full hope of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council is the sole authority to conduct an eviction. I don't even trust the high level committee. I don't even trust all the organizations, including my party at the time. See that? Now at present, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council is the sole authority. They have to conduct eviction. Choro. Pisojati.